All right, everybody, welcome to the financial reboot market update. It is Friday. Let's go start the weekend, okay? There's just nothing happening today except oil, right? What have we been talking about the last 3, 4 weeks? Get some oil stocks in your portfolio. Why? Well, we hit 71 bucks today. It's looking like we're going to hit triple digits. Maybe midsummer, the end of July. Who knows? There's definitely something brewing with oil right now. We saw it yesterday, right? With oil, the whole consumption thing. You know what I mean? Oh, consumption's down a little bit right now. We told you on yesterday's show, look, that's nonsense. We don't have India participating yet. We don't have Japan participating yet. We don't have a lot of the Eurozone participating yet. And oil is already at $71 a barrel. Imagine what happens when those guys get involved. It's just, consumption on a daily basis right now should not be your problem, as long as we're not shutting down the United States again, which doesn't look like it's in the cards right now. Other than that, we're still in those queues. We thought we were going to get an exit this morning. We're only a couple bucks off the strike now, and we're only a week away. So we'll probably carry those into the weekend unless something happens, unless over the next 45 minutes. But other than that, we're holding that MRO, which is really, really acting well today. ET is easily over that $11, about to push into that strike. We're out in those contracts all the way to the end of July. The Suncor is holding that $25 like a champ after yesterday's little volatility. Those are out to all the way to September. And the MRO we just set up, where we just talked about, is set up till September. So we're actually looking for maybe one or two more energy plays, but and that's kind of the strategy we're doing for right now, guys. And it's kind of a laid back little bit. We've got this great play going on in oil. Unless something really weird happens, this thing's just going through the roof, and it's continuing to go through the roof. What we're doing is we're staying in that oil play, and we'll look for our exits over the next few weeks. But in the meantime, we'll just play these little dabs here and there on the indexes and stuff, like we are with the Qs. We've got that big Fed meeting coming up next week, and that might throw a monkey wrench into the market. And we don't want to have too much on the table if they start talking inflation and tapering and everybody starts freaking out, and then all of a sudden the market's down 4 or 5%, right? And you're sitting on Friday calls. We don't want to be those guys. So we'll work out of these queues over the next couple trading days. And then we'll go do our best to go into that Fed meeting with just the energy plays on the board and our normal portfolios, right? You're looking for normal portfolio stuff, go check out the stock of the weeks. There's some great stuff. So look, guys, I just don't have a whole lot. Even the news, there's just not a whole lot going on today. The normal back and forth over infrastructure and things like that. President Biden, of course, is in Europe right now doing his thing. Not a whole lot of news coming out either way about that, besides his wife's jacket and stuff. I guess that's important now. Other than that, it's kind of everything on the board. Every chart is screaming the same play right now. Start the weekend. All right. So we recommend you guys start the weekend too. Sorry, it's just a short wrap this week, but you know what I mean? We're sitting pretty with all these trades. So we're going to let the weekend settle in here. All right, gang. Don't forget, after this, I'll be doing the crypto show, and we've done some stuff with the crypto portfolio, and you might want to follow along. And also too, we'll cover the chart, which has actually been very accurate since that sell down, right? We pretty much called a little bit of that bottom. We called the capitulation, and we called the channel that it's been trading in like a champ. So if you want to go over that chart and you want to be on the right side of the technicals, tune into the crypto show. All right. Other than that, oh, by the way, yesterday's market update, to this moment, there is still not one article on CNBC about yesterday's labor report. Go figure. All right, guys, you have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday, unless you're going to check out the crypto show.